Former Bosnian Serb military commander Ratko Mladic is making his first appearance at the International Criminal Tribunal in The Hague. He's facing 11 charges of crimes against humanity and genocide. They relate to the massacre of nearly 8,000 Muslim men and boys at Srebrenica and the 4-year siege of Sarajevo. The ABC's Europe correspondent Emma Alberici joins us now from outside the tribunal in The Hague. Emma, what's happened in court so far?
Well, Mr Mladic made his first appearance here wearing a pinstriped suit and tie, looking quite relaxed but very serious, concentrating on what was being said to him through a translator. He hasn't entered a plea. In fact, he asked for 2 months to consider what he says are 3 binders worth of documents that have been presented to him, that were indeed presented to him when he was at the infirmary at the Dutch prison where he's being detained. He said that he is so gravely ill that he hasn't had a chance yet to review those documents.
Well, Emma, in terms of the illness, Mladic's family and lawyers say that he's too ill to face trial. Do we know what's actually wrong with him?
We haven't heard yet. He will be given the opportunity to address the court on that very matter. His family says and has always maintained that he was too ill to stand trial. His lawyer said that as a result of multiple strokes, he was paralysed down one side and therefore couldn't understand nor communicate particularly well. Contrary to that, the registrar here at the court has told us that he was very communicative and very cooperative in the lead up to today, and he does certainly appear to be so while he's been sitting in the dock. He told the court after he had the charges read out that he thought the words were monstrous and the charges obnoxious. The court has given him until the 4th of July to prepare to enter a plea. He did ask for 2 months, but the rules of the court say he can only have up to 30 days to prepare.
Well, former President Slobodan Milosevic died during his trial. Radovan Karadic's trial has been going on for 18 months now. How long can we expect this one to go on for?
Well, pre-trial activity normally takes at least 1 year. Well, that's certainly the experience of this court, so we can't expect the trial proper to actually get underway for probably at least another year, this time next year. After that, it could take 1 or 2 years. There is a lot of talk, though, by the prosecutors of joining Ratko Mladic's case to that of his former political leader, Radovan Karadzic. We're still waiting to hear whether that decision has been made. It could then slow down Mr Karadic's case, but we're not sure exactly what their intention is. We do know that this court wants to expedite these matters because, as it stands, this tribunal behind me is due to wrap up in 2014. That's looking highly unlikely.
Emma Alberici in The Hague, thank you.